Welcome back to Travel Bee. Today, we're exploring one of Sri Lanka's hidden gems, the magnificent Chandrika Lake in Mbilipitiya. This stunning reservoir isn't just a body of water, it's the lifeline of the region and a testament to Sri Lanka's rich history of water management. As the sun paints the sky in brilliant hues, Chandrika Lake transforms into a mirror of golden light. Built in the 1960s, this massive reservoir serves multiple purposes, from irrigation to providing drinking water to the local communities. What makes this place truly special is how seamlessly it blends with the surrounding landscape. The lake stretches across approximately 4,000 hectares, and its banks are lined with lush vegetation that's home to diverse wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for various bird species that call this lake home. During the migration season, you might spot flamingos, pelicans, and various waders, making this their temporary haven. The lake isn't just a tourist attraction, it's the heart of local life. Early in the morning, you'll see fishermen setting out in their traditional boats, continuing practices that have sustained families for generations. The best time to visit is during sunrise or sunset, when the temperature is cooler. There's a walking path along parts of the lake where you can enjoy a peaceful stroll while taking in the breathtaking views. While you're here, don't forget to try some fresh fish from the lake, prepared in traditional Sri Lankan style at local restaurants. The nearby market is also worth exploring, where you can find fresh produce from farms nourished by this very lake. Getting here is easy. Mbilipitiya is about 230 kilometers from Colombo. The lake is accessible year-round, but the best months to visit are from December to March when the weather is most favorable. As we enjoy this beautiful location, remember that places like Chandrika Lake remind us of the importance of preserving our natural resources. This reservoir isn't just a pretty sight. It's crucial for agriculture, fishing, and the local ecosystem. That's all for today's adventure at Chandrika Lake. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Travel Bee, and hit that notification bell to join us on more exciting journeys across Sri Lanka.